Women say agenda 111. To be completely back. Ton contract, and you other people at 10%. And this is for me, and we're being so day. Contract, Abraham, on your 11%, $55 million or per 11%. And you want advance 7%. And so, MP4, we couldn't fight Galamsey because majority of executives, no, we are Galamsey. Next year, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power.
Because I can understand it. You're ready to be eliminated, to be called a leader in Ghana. The catch now. Because Obi about doing a home, or doing in your home, or doing a bush your phone, you're doing on mine now, your woman. Hello, Ilincha kese nema nyame enka ho nyame nya okese I Xposed GH. FM Ben Bruce pacho shamna ofemema 2. O subscribe the 2 man I will say nya kebi. Politics and one e de bana. Me president ba ko pa Ghana yem pese de man na me de pese de man no ye raka na de Japan. He's in the news again. Oni bibi, I admire this man so much because he doesn't give a damn. Or you'll be a Ghana and Dana Kuma to send me the party. Or see near me because when MPP was in power. No on Casa or MPP into your own car. Young Kuni would seem nearby, but fire.
You better call India and China. Say, Yadian Toa. And I will say, more dainty, put me cut in Opibia. Make MPP for them a better. Men kabi di anchiru na omu feel said ni omu ye no e wo campaign me meye din they can't shut me down. Ghana for person omu tie ni ya mo say agenda 111 omu to be completely back na omu ton contract no and ma other people at 10%. Ghana me say agenda NPP for they should be careful with me. Say me ya better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, man, I can't say, me my president, me free me sight, never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not MPP. Agenda 111, Mumisa Wom, Saba Kokrom Ria. They sold obedient contract now. Now I got home. Watching 10%. Anybody to me, oh, yeah, move about the criticizing NDC for me. And we're being so day. Contract Abraham said on ye now on 11%, $55 million or per 11%. And you want advance 7%. And so on. Massa, Ghana, Ghana, politicians, we are deceiving the general public. And we'll be able to come on. My jeans, everything, men Casania, Obian to be scared of this country. So long as I live, Nami Ghana ni, Nami Tukwai, Nami Musani and Kofo, build the Womukura. Me ma Obian scare me, Ghana. I'm not afraid of anybody. I will only speak the truth. And so I'm promising you, Mano, Nabu Bodin agenda 111, I won't put here. Please, I am Ghana. I mean, I'm sorry, Bamuko Hospital, baby. We have to be fair to Ghanaians. And obviously, we are better. Now, what do I mean? Who can say we are better? Who will be? Now, what I catch yourself president, we go away. Why in the catch yourself president in Kwa? Everybody, we are sorry, I'm Mokoye Lala Sulala. I'm begging for a businessman for Sika. Come and see the people that are coming to me. Mina officer me better. Opposition, who is talking? Who is talking? Because I think the word to your moto. Kasa says who is defending MPP? I've been quiet. But Obia to me and Kamikasa Boa and show. My shadow my 18. But Obia Pawonya documents I'm remember out. Rather catch them say, be me a bitter. Almost me better. MPP for we couldn't fight Galamsey because majority of executives in no me Galamsey. And also woman control a woman platform. Miss Rome. Miss Rome. Then I'm go country ni sir. Yeah. Mo na mo be blame obi. Me a better. Me a better said the way. Me say me call election. Me say me win. Me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for MPP. That means I will have a catch 10 cents of Canadian Japan. And now let me talk. I mean, my private self, Mimini Abronia and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Atachia and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Adrastapo and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Chairmansa and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Kota and Kojina platforms in your campaign. You don't put out next year, Makasa. You see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Yeah, but can't put it low. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Yeah, everyone of mine know better. Oh God, you know how much propaganda. More station on them here. Said Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Ranking member, I can say Nkura and you ho. What's now 8 years ago? Well, who's Nkura? Ebao. I didn't see a moment here. What's now 8 years? Well, who's Nkura? And now will be about 15 months ago. My Ghana, you. That the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One here, and you may be see Ghana. A BSC was Tunisia, only a thing. It will be a politician now, peace out there, when you scar, Moncoso, Namia Bita. This time, oh, you're better to be, I'm a Tebiachero. What do you mean? Abrania, who is it? Abrania, me? The money to come and call the campaign. Or say, Bawomia, Echo Fat, a ceremony, I'm not the tunnel, which I say, I'm the man. The man, car first. And you know what choosing I also was stationer. Masada Mighty. Me say from June 2027, MPP for minimum action Ghana, you will be surprised. And what I am not afraid of any human being. I am nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, I, Canadian Japan, I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. You better Bonnie Pabaso. If you won't now could defend the MPP, Mr. Sappho, I respect you a lot. But you can't call me a liar when you don't even have the information. Whoever tell Parliament, I can meet in the Diana. Please, I respect you. I will land here. But next time, Mr. Ferro, only reading Mr. Ferro, Ibupa. And please, I urge you, information you and sound web casa. And yes, I cry out the first work as a Miss Matimaka in Slovia, Ewagana. Piasso Mobra and Chen. Oh, would two crying said yes, and respect you, love the doer, who will be to say cock and certainly your tiny team. Or even your better. And before we are ready, they say July 2027, no action. Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
We have a 10 cents of Canadian Japan. No wait and see what will happen. Miss Romo, me catch Romo, me see Miss Romo cabinet. No wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027. You see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable
Dina ma ye nyina no tie omunko ridi omunko tie Kenny Rogers enyum your friend the gambler na won samu nyansa mu hu ni enti amema yeti I know when to run and I know when to hit omunni me eba wo mo fini now be say misro mine I say I bring up our needs some poor Ghana. Minimum, Opia, Obatabi, Obia, must feed you, must feed you. When you near back to Ghana, when you I bring it. Now I will deal with him at my own time. Be a body, be a chairman, o papa chairman san papa in there and the Kumasi apari won timi anya useless people
ewiase wo de bia me ka se ye wo obi a ye wo no as Ghanaian ne ye wo obi a sebe obai no be Ghanaian ye wura kan de Japan ye wo ni Ghana ni no e Ghana ni no do Ghana oyo obi a sebe ketase prosene proye de wontimi fa emfa ne kwa ho because MPP when they were in opposition no one as some former finance minister we dwane akwa America was here man friend the green card when him say krono wa bo man because nyama bi asabi e koso o man no we don't I can understand it sebe de bia me ka se o man ye bank ana papa dia let's take one government after the other na ye auditing se oba en sika se no benya ye nyama se no de ye nyama no ye no value ni se kagana fon kebesu what you make can say yetimi yes audit no na ye betimi ahu se ade a omo buy when ye be ye na we na aka ye besu but ya ye Ghana to say e no man's land obi abo be disika na no ko na we so aba no be disika na meanwhile say aban betimi jai sika di for 1 year Ghana will be like what USA even more than USA abroche na ye ko na ye nyina pese ye ko no enye bibia na omo yo e discipline. And they make sure say Obia doesn't take advantage of what the society. Ghana and Kwana Beba no beka so corruption they normal. Ah, near Jimmy sir. Corruption here normal. And then a corruption it's normal my yen. We are joke. Yeah, jokers. Yeah, country of jokers. Because as same way Macan said, we need to put measures in place so that the institutions, state institutions should work. Nietia Yura Kennedy, one person the president I knew, he will make the institutions work. Because Sabe say 18 ba na 18 kasa men ye bribe. Wow, shall say when you bribe. Problem I famu na a leadership problem in Ghana. Ye nya obi ready to be eliminated to be called a leader in Ghana. The catch now. Because obi about dwen ne ho or dwen ni nua ho or dwen abusuafo ho ye dwen o man na ye wom no ho na we me hye nkoma to ho say very soon the youth now mo for say ye edi no a time will come we will ask questions from the leadership. We will ask them, what are you doing with our money? How are you governing this way? I know you're the day of accountability. Because ya who say sabe in penifo mo memo o my so mo boya bro wo mtimo din Ghana fo timo din penifo no wo mtimo din agudisem na e wo mtrim because anka so ba kokora sabe ehwere wo Ghana na enye say so be hwere say ya and then ye can be 32 people have died you can't try yes we need to wake up. And I'm saying, you have a unique opportunity. Me first by this and quite changing laws, but we are still going with the old laws. What is happening? Law be to say IGP, and yes, president now appointing no chief justice yeah, muyi in the bataya up to now young your friend is say CDS and these people are state institutions which will hold the presidency or accountable. Your person money here. This people has to be what? Independent. The electoral commissioner. He doesn't have to be appointed by the president. It is time, you take the bull by the horns and make sure say you leave a legacy for Ghana. The legacy you can leave that I'll be proud of is to make sure say you change this constitution for the near because that time no man you what real power means. And because I say everyday affair. Me wo gidi omu say obeye aka America kra 2027 na 2028 ba wo nti wanya this year asama to ye I Xposed je chefem bambru subscribe share me too manasa aka bi manu asi